Hello, my name is Jim Middleton. I'm with CNC Sheet Metal in Indianapolis, Indiana. Been in the industry 25 years. We've decided to go with this ValuePLUS line to save a lot of money on making our ductwork. And we figured on a one-piece wrap duct, it'll save 60%. It's a huge time saver, very simple and easy to operate load, and it really is a plus for the company. Our company had looked at 3 different lines and chose this one. We just thought it was the smoothest, most easy to add on in the future. We start out fairly simple, and then we'll try to add on maybe a Pittsburgh machine at some day. Setup it just took a couple days to actually put the unit in, and then train us took another day or 2. So really 3 to 4 days and you're ready to go. Installed it, it's about as easy as it could be.